Hey there, Kazi here, and in this quick tutorial I will show you how to fix this site cannot be reached error. So let's get started. Alright, so first of all you need to go to the search bar and search for control panel. So search for the control panel and open it. Then from here you need to select the network and internet. And then simply select the network and sharing center. And then simply tap on the Ethernet and then tap on the properties. Alright, then simply scroll it down and you will probably find the Internet Protocol version 6. You need to first uncheck it and then tap on the OK. Then you can simply go to the browser that you are using, like this Google Chrome, and then I am using the Microsoft Edge for this one. Then you can simply go to any site like youtube.com, and as you can see it is working. All right, but if this doesn't work for you, then you can simply go back to this option Ethernet and turn it on, and then you will again go to the properties. Then you need to select the Internet Protocol version 4 and simply tap on the properties, and then this dialog box will appear. Now what you can simply do, simply tap on this use the following DNS server addresses. You need to select this one, then first type what I'm typing. Just simply repeat my typing. Like first you need to type in 208, then 67, then in the third row you can use like 222, and again in this column you need to type 222. All right, then again 208, 67, then 220, 220, and then tap on OK, and most probably this will solve your issue. All right, so I think you have solved your issue. So after that, if it doesn't work for you, just simply call your ISP, which is like the internet service provider. Just call them and ask for that they have the internet connection working for your PC or not. Just simply talk with them and they will provide you additional support to get the work done. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.